What's up guys, welcome to another video, and today we'll be working on the Mk6 Gti. I know you guys miss it, I miss it too. So for this particular project, we're working on the lower ball joint on this car. One of the signs I've noticed when I've driving the car is that when I'm going from front to back, I will hear and feel something, like almost a little knock sound. And then also, if you jack the car up and you check for play, you can tell if there's anything excessive, which could lead to either your lower ball joint or your outer tie rod. Well, in this case, it was the lower ball joint. Let me show you how the old one looks like. So this is the old lower ball joint. As you can see, it is damaged. It's done. It's finished. See all this excessive free play. That's how I knew when the wheels are shifting so easily. This is the root cause of it. So that's no good. This is the new one. So I got this from Advanced Auto. So as you can see, this one is a lot sturdier, a lot less travel. You actually had to put some load on it just for it to move. And yeah, so we're gonna do this on the passenger side as well. This is the driver's side, like I said, and this was the main issue. But typically I recommend anyone, if you're gonna replace, when it comes to suspension, when you're gonna replace one side, you want to replace the other. Even if the other is still good, it's on its way out, so you might as well just get both fresh new parts. All right, so let's go ahead and take the wheel off. So this is like a stud guide tool, basically to keep the wheel together. It's very handy sometimes when you're trying to line it up right. So I usually put this on first before I take the last stud out. So if you can see right here, this is a lower ball joint, and these are the three nuts, as you can see. 1, 2, 3, and then you have the last one up top, just hiding right under the CV. Now, what we're gonna do is basically use a wrench right here, socket down here, loosen these up, try to get this down as much as possible, and then if you don't have any like specialized tool to break this, just go the old-fashioned way and get a hammer. All right, man, so let's get into it. So finally got to loosen the top nut as best as I can, and so once I remove that, as you can see, there's still tension from where the ball joint is to where this hole is. So you need something just to cause a vibration or something to force it downward. Like I said, we're gonna use a hammer, and we're just gonna hit at this point right here. Once you knock that down, it drops. You can see right here, it finally collapsed. I was able to get the nut completely off. Now, all I need to do is basically pry this downwards, and just to get it out of place, then remove these nuts on the bottom and get the whole thing out. Now we're just gonna remove both lower nuts on the bottom, and then voila. Comes right off. Now we have the new one. New nuts in. Oh man, here we go. One. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I cannot wait to see you guys in the next video. Peace.